Today, I am going to start a series of videos trying viral guides on making YouTube shorts. And I'm going to begin using a guide from this channel. I'm going to try his guide, and at the end of this video, let's find out if it's going to work or not. So let's dive right in. This is the guide I'm going to use, and it is from the video of this channel. Yes, I know. You're asking me why I'm going to use his guide. You see, Isaac's channel only has 3 videos, but look at his views. It is ranging from 281,000 to 974,000 views. And the more important thing here is his YouTube Shorts channel. That is getting viral numbers, and he's teaching what he has done. So that is why I'm using his guide on making my shorts. But before I proceed, I need to set up a channel with a niche of what I want to do, which is anime. So let's proceed with the guide of Isaac. He'll just change the graphics on how I understand his guide, and let me share to you how I use it. The first step in Isaac's guide is video idea. As I watch his video, I learned that the importance of a video idea in making a viral short is significant. As Isaac says,
if you have a bad video idea, you can't make it go viral, no matter how good you write your script or edit.
So Isaac, how can I do it?
Just look out for trends in your niche, or even better, implement a trend into your niche. Of course, taking an old topic and adding your spice may work as well, but we're trying to increase our chances to the max.
So you're telling me to incorporate trends. Now I know what to do. First, I should research what's trending about my niche, then I should create an interesting topic about it that will hook my viewers. To do this, all I need is to go to Google Trends, search anime, make the country worldwide, change Google search to YouTube search, and look for what is trending. Or as Isaac says,
you're passionate about your niche, you already know what's trending.
Yes, I am also passionate about my niche, and I already know what's trending. Look at this anime. It has only 2 episodes and fans are talking about it. There is a lot of potential here, so I will make my first shorts about this. Now I got the video idea. Let's move on to the next step of Isaac's guide. Next is the script. As I watched his video, he gave these 6 guidelines for script writing. Let me break it for you. First is to write longer. As we all know, shorts must be short to gain more retention. But when I watched Isaac's video, he exposed a secret that many successful YouTubers have already noticed. And this is, YouTube is promoting videos that make viewers stay longer on the platform. To prove that, he showed a sample of his longer shorts, which are getting more views or going viral than the shorter ones. That's why we should create a reasonable time for our shorts, so that viewers can stay longer, enjoy, and ask for more. Number 2 is strong hook. First things first, what exactly is a hook? Well, it's like the appetizer to your main course. It's that attention-grabbing moment in the first few seconds of your YouTube short that makes viewers go, wait, I need to see more of this. As stated in Isaac's video, a strong hook captures attention instantly. It could be a shocking statement, a surprising fact, or even a visually striking image, something that makes viewers pause their endless scroll. So here's what I'm going to do. I will make sure that my hook will set the tone for the entire short. If I can keep viewers engaged from the start, chances are they'll stick around till the end, boosting my overall performance. Number 3 is add a story. Ever scrolled through shorts and found yourself watching mindless clips with no real story? Boring, right? Here's the deal. Storytelling isn't just for feature films. Even in those brief 60 seconds, a story can make your short unforgettable. As Isaac stated in his video, a story can bridge your hook, the middle part, and the end of your shorts. That is why I must create a compelling story that will stand out in the sea of content, that is more likely to be shared and make my viewers so connected that they would be more likely to stick around. Number 4 is adding another speaker. Isaac just wants us to add another layer to our script to make the story more alive. Here, I will just add memes and movie clips to add flavor to my shorts. Number 5, adding emotion. Here, Isaac just wants us to pick an emotion that will dictate the flow of the script and make people curious. Number 6, unfunny joke. This part makes me wonder, but as time passed, I realized that you must generate as much curiosity in your script. So I incorporated it so that my audience would stick through all the parts of my shorts. Now, I'm done with my script. Let's move on to the next step in Isaac's guide. The third step is voiceover. What are the choices, Isaac?
Now you have 2 options. If you have a sexy voice, just take a microphone and read through your script. But I guess most of you are interested in the second option, using AI.
Yes, AI is the key. For this, I will use the same thing Isaac uses, which is 11 Labs. In fact, the voice you're listening to right now is made by this thing. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Now all I need to do is choose a voice and paste my script to generate the voiceover. As Isaac says, I will just use commas, exclamation marks, and capital letters to get different tones. Now I have the voiceover, let's move on to the next step. The next step is editing. I will show this part in CapCut and do all the steps Isaac has said in his video. First, I imported the voiceover and put it into my project. Then I dragged it to the timeline. The next thing is to cut all the pauses. Now, I will just overlap the clips to get a faster pace, listen to see if it's natural or not, and repeat this for the whole voiceover. Now I need footage to add on top of my voiceover. For videos, I will go to YouTube, search for things related to anime of my topic, and download them from a random website. Then I will take all that footage and import it to CapCut, cover all of my voiceover with related clips. Isaac says that don't forget to add 1 or 2 interaction clips to keep the viewers engaged, so I will add one. Next, I will resize all my clips to fit the screen. Use keyframes to add zoom-ins, zoom-outs, and camera movements. Add some graphics like circles and arrows to increase engagement, and then I will put my captions. Lastly, I will just add music and sound effects and export. Next is to publish the shorts, so I published it, and here are the results. I got only 2 views in the first 4 hours. Is Isaac's guide legit? To answer our question, let's go to the next step, which is to be patient. I know that posting on YouTube on a new channel would be hard, but when you have a great formula, chances are you will succeed. Although my first video got only 2 views, I also tried the formula on my basketball channel for almost a month, and here are the results. I got an increase in all 4 categories that are shown. The views increased by 326,000 views more than usual, so as the impressions, likes, and subscribers increased. So to answer the question, is the guide of Isaac effective? The data on the basketball channel shows some promising results. If that we continue using his guide and improving on creating shorts, it would be effective. So be patient, continue improving, and you will succeed. To prove that, I will update you next month on the channels I made with this guide. In the meantime, watch these videos on how to create viral shorts with AI. Thank you, and see you on the next one.